The day was Saturday, the 10th of August 2024, with the Destination Imagination bullet train arriving at Regent Molepolole. Parents were dropping the enthused learners who were looking forward to an action-packed day with the famed STEAM education raring to go. As an appetizer, the Paper Tower Challenge led the proceedings, with the endeavor seeking to stimulate creativity, which is a huge part of what Destination Imagination seeks to foster. Robot assembly then became the order of the day, with the zealous learners hurrying and scurrying to assemble the RoboBlock Q Scouts. This activity was geared to bring out teamwork as the only solution to completing within the stipulated time. With the classes being split into two, the upper primary getting their hands on coding and programming, Feeling Code provided them a dive into the world of tuning conductive objects into touchpads and keyboards, learning programming, which is a crucial skill in today's world, grounding learners in circuitry at a young age to prepare them for a technology-driven world, and also development of transversal competencies in educational robotics. After a session of intense learning, the mind needs a breather, and what better way than team building exercises? The euphoria in the air could be sliced with a hot knife as the million smiles painted the atmosphere. This culminated in grabbing a bite to replenish the expanded energy.
And I learned about robotics. It was fun. My teachers were doing fun. After that was building robots. And then was teaching a break time. My name is Regent. We did a lot of things today and it was fun. I made two friends and the name is David. I did a lot of activities. But I made some friends and I made a very good friend. And I hope I can see that friend again. Well, I'm sorry, how much I know. So my day started up good, but then it ended up nice. We started doing robotics, we started coding. After that we went for a quick break. I made friends. It was really nice. The teachers are nice.
Thank you, Regent Molepolole, for a splendid day. Destination Imagination. We ignite curiosity, we unleash potential.